Can I paint a picture too? Yes! Great!
Laurie May, what's your favorite color? Yellow? We have no yellow!
I know! Wait, here! I got good news! I have some yellow paint!
Yeah! That's blue! That's blue!
Oh, it's blue!
You need to go and get another one!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Hey, Ozzy, look at all these lovely paintings.